Okay, so let's start with clippers. Clipper is a circuit which clips the input signal, okay, using diodes. Clips means like just like a scissor or knife, it clips the signal. Okay, so this is something. Let's say this box is consist of some diode circuit, some diode arrangement with the resistor, and you give a input signal from here. At the output you will get a clipped signal. This is as if the input is clipped by from this center of the half cycle. Okay, so this is what you are getting at the output of the circuit. So sometimes also you can have this kind of figure. For example, you have this is the figure at the input, some sine signal. You can have like this as well. It will only pass the signal which is above this zero line, and below zero line it won't pass it. It is similar to that, this. Okay, here you, it is cutting from this part. The circuit is clipping, cutting the input signal from this line, blue line. So above this everything is passed, below this. Okay, let's look at first shunt clippers. Okay, it is nothing but how the diode is connected in the circuit. This is what it represent, shunt clippers. Okay, so this is the standard circuit diagram of shunt clippers. Means the diode will be connected in shunt, and this is how it will look like. One resistance whose values is not of interest. The diode is of interest, so you will apply input here and you will get the output from here. Okay, this side. So the diode terminals I am writing A and K, anode cathode. Okay, so if the value of VA, potential at A, will be greater than K, the diode will be short circuit. I am assuming idle diode. Okay, ideal diode. So if it will be on, short circuit. If it is off, then open circuit. Okay, so if VA is greater than VK, short circuit, it is represented by short circuit. If VA is less than VK, then it is open circuit. Okay, and this assuming less than equal to as well. Okay, so it has to be greater than this voltage has to be greater than VK to conduct this diode. Okay, now depending upon that, what will happen? If Vi value will be less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0, then diode will be off. This diode will be off, because if Vi will be less than 0, then this terminal will be negative, this terminal will be positive, which means diode will be off. Reverse bias, idle diode. So reverse bias means this will be open circuit, so all the input voltage will be coming at the output voltage, because it's a open circuit now, so though there is no current flowing through this resistance. Okay, it's a open circuit, so the circuit will something look like this. So there won't be any current here, so there won't be any current from the resistor as well, so all the voltage which is in input will go to the output as well. Okay, so this is the case when Vi will be less than equal to 0. When Vi will be greater than 0, what will happen? When Vi will be greater than 0, this terminal will be positive, this terminal will be negative, and it will be greater than 0. So this diode will conduct. Va will be greater than Vk. Okay, in this case, so diode will conduct, and if the diode will conduct, it is idle, so it will behave as short circuit. And if this diode will be short circuit, your output will be 0. So this kind of scenario you will get. So this is short circuit. So V out will be nothing, it is shorted because, okay, so that's why it is 0. So you can say transfer characteristics, you can see it is just transfer characteristic is just a curve which represents input and output. So this is input, this is output, Vi and V0, and the curve between them is this. Okay, means if Vi is less than 0, means it will pass everything, whatever the Vi will be V0, and if the Vi is greater than 0, the V0 value is 0. Okay, so this is the transfer characteristics. If you want to plot output characteristics, that is V0 versus time, this is how it will look like. So it will clip the upper part and it will pass the lower part of 0. Okay, so when V0 so above V0 equal to 0, everything will be clipped. Below V0 equal to 0, everything will be passed. Okay, this is the output characteristic. This is the transfer characteristic. Transfer characteristics means input output curve, input versus output curve, and output characteristics mean output versus time curve, and how depending upon the biasing of diode, uh, output will be given. Okay, so shunt is just because it is diode is connected in shunt. So this is a standard circuit which is used for clipping, and this is how it clips. So input will be, for this case input will be like this, Vi would have been like this, and that results in this output. Okay, so that is how shunt clipper works. This is one model. Now we will see next models of shunt clippers, how different shunt clippers can be. Okay, now let's look at the second model of shunt clippers. The only difference I did is I flipped the way diode was connected. So now anode is this terminal, cathode is this terminal, rest everything is same. Now what will happen, this condition is same. If A is greater than K, Va is greater than Vk, then open circuit, it is on, it will behave as short circuit. If Va is less than equal to Vk, then it is open circuit. This condition will be same. Now what will happen, if Vi will be less than equal to 0, then this terminal will be negative, this terminal will be positive. Since this terminal will be negative, this terminal will be positive, it is in negative direction. Okay, so this will make diode on, since negative is connected to N, positive will be connected to positive P. So it is on condition, which means it will be represented by shorts. If this will be short, then V0 will be 0. Okay, similarly if Vi will be greater than 0, this Vi will be greater than 0, then this terminal will be positive, this terminal will be negative, positive, negative, and this is if this is positive, this is negative, means it is open, since it is reverse biased. If this is open, means diode is off, which means Vi will be going to V0 and V0 will be equal to Vi. Okay, so it is just the same condition what we saw in model number 1. It is just that the role has been changed. Whatever was there in negative side became positive, and positive side it became negative. Okay, so transfer characteristics will be input versus output. This is how the output curve, input output curve will look like. If Vi is less than 0, it is output is 0. Okay, and if the Vi is greater than 0, then V0 is equal to Vi. Okay, V0 is equal to Vi. So linear change, and output will look like this. Output curve, above V0 equal to 0, everything will be passed. Below V0 is equal to 0, everything will be clipped. Okay, if this input will be given to the circuit. Okay, at the output you will get this output curve. Okay, so it is clipping the negative side of the input signal, and in the model number 1 it was clipping the output, it was clipping the upper part of the input signal. Okay, that is the difference, just by flipping the diode. Now we will see the other models as well.